Today's video, we are going to be unboxing the March Discovered Beauty Box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So yeah, today's video I have the March Discovered Beauty Box. This costs £30 per month. I have a link and everything. It's down below in the information box and the comment box. You get £3 off your subscription if you use that. But before I go any further, we did all receive an email the other day saying that they are pausing all subscriptions for now. They are making changes to the box. It says, with all good things, improvements are still required. We at Discovered Beauty have made the decision to pause all subscriptions for a short while to help us make Discovered Beauty bigger and better. So it doesn't tell you how long it's going to be paused for. Yeah, no new subscriptions will be accepted at this time. Yeah, over the next few days you'll see that your subscription is paused and no further payment will be taken until they obviously start back up again. They want to make changes to the website to make it more interactive and all of that. Never been disappointed in a box with Discovered Beauty, which is fan-bloody-tastic. This is the second most expensive box that I get and pay for. But yeah, here it is. I'm a bit good at the pausing it. What we're going to do? How long are we going to have to wait without me Discovered Beauty Box? This is what it looks like inside. We get a little thank you card just thanking her for our purchase. We have the edit card. It has the information on the products in the box, which is fab. Let's see if we can get a sneak peek. This box is always so well wrapped up. That's not much of a sneaky peek, but it certainly looks interesting. Let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Just quickly back to the edit card there, open it up. Just here it says that this edit is called Marvel in March. Let's marvel in March, DBB fam. It's time to delve into the wonders that March has to offer, and if we do say so ourselves, it's quite splendid. Before we get to the first product, if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Right, so looking down, I am seeing a lot of products, a nice array of products, which is absolutely fantastic. But the first one we're going to play with is this one. So this is by the brand Phil Smith and it's Magic Potion. It has a value of £5.50 and it says it's time to work wonders on your hair, and what better way other than this magic potion. A multitasking beauty that locks in moisture to condition, can prime to be ready for styling, and increase shine and smoothness. It's suitable for all hair types. It's vegan and cruelty free. I don't think I've heard of this brand before. My packaging is ripped there, so just ignore that. But yeah, I don't think so. Oh, it's got hyaluronic acid in here as well. Multi-styling wonder cream. Primer, detangular, volume booster, frizz tamer, soft texturizer, treatment mask, flyaway control, curl enhancer, fringe definer, and shine enhancer. So that's a hell of a lot of stuff that it does there. I'm just gonna, you take that off obviously and you do the pump there, but I just want a quick sniff. So, oh yeah, that smells oh so good. Yeah, I can't wait to try that out, and quite an affordable product as well. Let's see what Phil Smith products are all about. Second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Hollywood Browser, and this is microfiber cleansing pads. Has an RRP of £8.95 and it just says made with ultra soft premium microfiber and built-in glove-like design. Removing makeup couldn't be more easier. The pads also come with a drawstring bag, handy for when washing, so that they're not easily misplaced. Love the sound of that because I misplace everything. That's the little bag. Little drawstring net bag. Oh, They're nice. I have a load of these sitting in my bathroom and I think they're a great idea. And normally what I would say with the other beauty boxes, when we get the makeup removing pads, I'm like, oh yay again. I'm really not excited about that because it's for, normally they stick with the same brands and they all look the same, but this is a different brand and it looks different, and I love how it sits on there, so it's nice and secure in your hand. You can use both of them at once or you can just use one for your whole face, but yeah, they feel lovely. And I really do like how it comes with its own little bag because yeah, it will keep them together. The third item we've got in the box is this. So yeah, it kind of looks like more than one item, but these are by the brand Synergy Collections and it's a brush bundle. So let's have a look. They are cruelty free and vegan. So here we have mini powder puffs with a value of £10. We have a foundation brush value of £6, a powder brush value of £7, and a makeup bag value of £15. What's not to love about the beautiful and good quality makeup tools? In this set you'll find a black rose flat top foundation brush which is soft bristles and densely packed, perfect for creating a flawless and airbrush finish look. Next in the lineup is a black rose powder brush that boasts thick and fluffy bristles, which is perfect for a seamless supply of powder products. Third to the group is the mini powder puffs, a cute essential to set your final look. Designed in a triangular shape, it makes setting every corner possible. Last but not least is a black rose makeup bag that will house all of your new additions and more. Right, where to start? Right, yeah, I'm going to start off with the makeup bag and then we can put things in here as we go. Right, so here is the makeup bag. It is very nice. Let's take this off. Perfect little size for traveling, and yeah, I'm loving the rose gold on the black there. It looks very, very smart. We have the brand name here. Let's open it up. You can actually feel the quality in the zip there, which is nice. And that is inside, and yeah, you'll be able to wipe inside of there when it gets dirty, so that's fabulous. So just for the minute, we'll pop that there. Right, next we'll look at the makeup brushes. So let's open them up. Right, so there are the makeup brushes. So I take it this is the powder one. Oh, that feels so soft. That feels absolutely gorgeous. Feels really nice quality. And I suppose that is the foundation brush, nice and flat there. Oh, that feels lush. So yeah, you can pop your foundation on and whatnot. Very pretty, very, very pretty. We'll just pop them in there. Then we have the powder puffs. Yeah, they are. So we get, oh, I'm giving you the finger. But yeah, here they are. Oh, it feels lovely, very nice. And yeah, the corner does get in very hard to reach places. Yeah, that's really nice. Again, it feels pretty decent quality as well. Not bad at all. Just moved everything around there, but I really, really like that set. So far, so good. Fourth product, remembering that apparently there's only 3 products there. The fourth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Gold Serums, and it's Retinol Ultra Rebuild Day and Night Moisturizer. This has a value of £139. Holy moly. It's suitable for all skin types and it's cruelty free. Have hydrated skin day and night. Formulated with retinol that helps to smooth, brighten, improve texture and reduce the appearance of pores. Coconut oil to nourish the skin and keep it moisturised, and hyaluronic acid to provide instant hydration and plumper looking skin. £139. Are you having a laugh? This is sealed. I'm going to leave this sealed, guys, because when I use this, I want it to refresh. I want to get all that goodness of £139 on my face. Oh no, I'm going to use it in anyway, but I'm not opening the actual bottle, but we'll have a look at the bottle because I need to see what this packaging looks like for that price. Oh, you can feel the quality in this too, actually. That looks nice. I love the red and the gold. There is 50 mils in here. This is obviously a full-size product. There's 50 mils in here, £139. It's going to be one of them ones where I'm scared to use it because I don't want to use it because it's so expensive. Oh my goodness. But I'm going to make it a point of using it because I want to feel bougie. My skin wants to feel bougie using this. So the 5th product in the box that we have is this. So this is by the brand Skin Superfood, and it's all-in-one rescue butter. It's cruelty free, it's vegan, and it has a value of £21.90. Nourish stubborn areas of dry skin with a blend of shea butter and lemongrass and a cocktail of plant-based oils such as sea buckthorn and grapeseed, which is full of antioxidants and fatty acids to promote healthy, happy skin. Also, a little bit of this rich butter goes a long way, but absorbs easily and doesn't feel greasy on the skin. Conveniently sized to pop into a pocket or a bag to banish any dry spots as they arise. Okay, Skin Superfood. Have I heard of that? I don't think I have. This is, I'm going to leave this one sealed because I can't keep opening all the boxes. But yeah, cool. We'll give it a go. Especially with the warmer weather going to be coming up, I'm definitely going to be getting some dry spots, so it should come in useful indeed. So the 6th and final product we have in this box is this. So this is by the brand Doctor's Formula, and it's Illuminating Cleansing Balm. It has a value of £79. Wow. So cleanse your face and leave it looking illuminated with this marine collagen cleansing balm and antibacterial properties to remove impurities from pores, and linoleic acid to strengthen and replenish the skin. So I have this. It is currently in my bathroom at the moment. I'm using it as it is. I've just been using the Doctor's Formula skincare range, the marine collagen one, and it's been amazing so far. I've finished off the day moisturizer, the eye cream. I am currently using this in my bathroom. It is amazing. This is so good, guys, so good. I'm so happy to get another one because hello, the price of this, I can't afford this just to go in a shop and buy it. So yeah, I have an extra one put on my shelf. This makes me so happy. Hi guys, so this is the March Discovered Beauty Box. The edit is called Marvel in March, and it has a value of £292.33. What do you think? Personally, I think this box is freaking fantastic. So there's 6 products in here, but when you really go in and count how many, thanks to this product, you get multiple products in one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products in this box. Oh my goodness. Fantastic brands. I mean, we have a moisturiser where there. We have a moisturiser in here. Basically, it's £140 just for that one thing. I am so tempted to use that tonight because it's there and it's looking at me and I'm like, ooh. But yeah, guys, wow. I am so upset that they are pausing this box. Although it does sound like it's going to be for our benefit, because they are going to be making improvement. I don't know how can they improve that? They are going to be making improvements and also like improving the website and stuff. So hopefully they hurry their asses along, because I don't want this to pause for long, because I love this box every month. This is something I look forward to every single month. But what do you think? Comment down below. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.